In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit Bitcoin into your Kast card. This is very easy, but there are some things that you do need to know. If you still need an account on Kast, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's going to give you 200 Kast points, which is equivalent to about $14, and it will also give you future discounts on cards. So open up the Kast app, and once you've got it opened, you can then go to receive in the top left-hand corner. From here, you can see you can receive money in stablecoin, crypto, or you can even create a payment link. We're going to click on crypto. From here, the first one will be BTC. You can select this drop-down menu and select any others. We've got a QR code here which we can scan, or you can just go ahead and copy the address by clicking this clipboard button, and that will copy this address here to your clipboard. Now, it's important to note you want to look at the convert rules, because when you deposit Bitcoin, they will charge you a 2% fee on that transfer. Kast is better if you deposit stablecoins. So if you can convert it with relatively low fees before you transfer it to Kast, it's probably better to transfer your crypto through like USDT, like a stablecoin, because they're not going to charge you 2%. If you want to deposit Bitcoin though, you can copy this address. You can then open up your wallet and then go to BTC. And then what we're going to do, we're going to click send. You can then paste in your address. I'm going to send the maximum amount of Bitcoin that I can. We'll click next. And you can go ahead and confirm this transaction. As you can see, the transaction is pending, but once the transaction has been sent and it's been broadcasted to the network, you will then see your balance update in Kast. Now, I can't wait for this to appear on video because it will be quite long, but if you go to accounts in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see I received some Solana from another video, and you will see your updates and your deposits here in the accounts section. So go ahead and try it. Let me know if it works for you and how it works. And if you need an account still, there'll be a link in the description below.